Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get rid of acorns in your yard. First, let's prepare for effective cleanup. Acorns can be a nuisance, but with a systematic approach, you can manage them. Start by assessing the density of acorns and the size of your property. For smaller areas, a simple rake and tarp might suffice, while larger yards could benefit from more specialized equipment. Regular clearing is key, especially when the acorns are actively falling from the trees. Now, let's talk about getting those acorns off your lawn efficiently. For many, an acorn picker-upper tool is a game changer, saving your back from constant bending. These tools can cover a significant area in just a few minutes. Alternatively, a sturdy rake and a large tarp work wonders for gathering larger quantities. Simply rake the acorns onto the tarp, then easily transport them to your disposal area. For smaller acorns or a mix of leaves, a leaf vacuum with a mulching feature can be quite effective. Beyond just collecting, preventing future acorn buildup is crucial. One proactive step is to place large tarps or netting directly under your oak trees during the peak dropping season. This catches a significant portion of the acorns before they even hit the ground, making cleanup much simpler. While you might not want too many, squirrels can actually assist in reducing the acorn population by burying them. Keeping your lawn well-maintained also helps, as acorns are far more visible and easier to spot on shorter grass. For a more lasting solution, think about long-term strategies. If you're planning new landscaping, choosing tree species that don't produce acorns can eliminate the problem entirely. For existing oak trees, you might explore ground covers like thick mulch or certain perennial plants that can help obscure or even deter acorn germination. Consulting with a certified arborist could also be beneficial. They might suggest strategic pruning of lower branches to limit the spread of acorns in high-traffic areas, offering a more permanent management plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.